Hi, everyone. This video will show you how to access Advanced Options screen in Windows 10 in 5 ways. 1. Access Advanced Options screen from Settings. Click Start, Settings, Update and Security, Recovery, Restart Now. Click Troubleshoot, Advanced Options. Two. Access Advanced Startup Options with Shift and Restart. Click Start. Power. Press Shift key and click Restart. Click Troubleshoot. Advanced Options. 3. Get to Advanced Boot Options from Sign-in screen. Press Windows and L or restart PC to get to Sign-in screen. Click Power. Press and hold Shift key and click Restart. Click Troubleshoot, Advanced Options. 4. Enter into Advanced Options from Ctrl Alt Delete Screen. Press Ctrl Alt Delete. Click Power. Press and hold Shift key and click Restart. Click Troubleshoot, Advanced Options. 5. Access Windows 10 Advanced Options with CMD. Press Windows and R. Type CMD. Press Ctrl Shift Enter. Type the command and press Enter. Click Troubleshoot, Advanced Options. Thanks for watching. For more information, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.